Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Samsung Galaxy M16. Okay, so basically, once you have downloaded your WhatsApp and entered your phone number and verified, you'll have something like this. As you can see, restore your chats. As you can see, I made a backup 3 minutes ago on this Google account. Also, please make sure that this Google account is the same as the account on the backup was made. And now simply click on restore. It's gonna take a few seconds, so don't worry. Okay, as you can see, 6 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now simply click on the next. In here, type your name, anything you want. Again, click on next. And as you can see, all of the messages have been restored. Same with the photos. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.